I love adding a bit of personality to my daily scrubs outfits with Born This Way the label Stethoscope Bling. These accessories come in so many cute designs and they really help me to stand out in a crowd of scrubs and be more memorable. I love matching mine with my scrubs and it's always so fun seeing reactions from my patients and coworkers. What is really special about these is that you can even add customized engraving on the inside to make them even more personal. Go check out Born This Way the label, I'm sure you will love it.